Matapedia is a small town located in the Gaspésie-Île-de-la-Madeleine region of Quebec. It sits along the Matapedia River, near the border with New Brunswick. The town is known for its picturesque surroundings, with forests, rivers, and mountains contributing to its natural beauty. One of the notable features of Matapedia is its importance as a transportation hub. The town serves as a junction point for several transportation routes, including highways and railways. The Matapedia railway station is a significant stop along the Canadian National Railway's main line, connecting major cities like Montreal and Halifax. The economy of Matapedia is largely based on forestry, agriculture, and tourism. The region's natural resources, including its forests and rivers, support industries such as logging, fishing, and outdoor recreation. Matapedia is also known for its cultural heritage and outdoor recreational activities. Visitors can enjoy hiking, camping, fishing, and hunting in the surrounding wilderness areas. Additionally, the town hosts various events and festivals throughout the year, celebrating its cultural traditions and community spirit. Overall, Matapedia offers a tranquil retreat for those seeking to explore Quebec's natural beauty and experience its rich cultural heritage.